Guys, if you're new, my name's Tristan Gannon. Please like and subscribe and smash that like button. Today we're going to play Minigolf, so see you in a minute. Go.
Rainforest Adventure Golf. Ascend the stairs to begin your journey.
Just arrived, we're about to play now. We're now at the golf course. As you can see here, it's crowded by loads of people. So we're going into golf now. My mom's going to lose. So be in there. Guys, we're about to play now. As you see my
They should be allowed out at all.
That was amazing, guys. Oh, me and my dad are drawing now. Look.
Uh-oh. What do you think so far?
Great! Got a hole in one. One on the last course. If I get this hole in one, I will give you guys $1 million. Still will pay you $1 million. Oh, it's pretty cool. Fun materials here.
Where's it gonna come out?
Denied.
If I get this in the middle, I'm gonna get a free one for the family. Because one person only, let's do for the whole family. It's called the Lucky 19.
Oh!
You are more like pizza. Monkeys, yes or no, brother?
Guys, we're finishing now. I just went into that hole there, lost my ball. The place was amazing. You should go here. You should go here if you live in Ireland. One of the holes were really hard. Came last. It was great fun. So this place is thumbs up and give me a like and subscribe. Give this place a 5 out of 5.